Good morning, student. Already you have studied the theorems. Now, on that theorem, we will see the examples. Okay, and many of the student they have not seen that homework completion. Okay, also I will send the practicals also. So you have to complete practicals also. Those who not taken from the school, take it all stationery from the school. So you can fill up that practical workbook also. So practical workbook also having internal marks. So now we'll see the first example on the theorems. Already you have studied on the angle bisector. Okay. So if any point lie on the angle bisector, suppose this y is the angle bisector, it is given. Point A is a lie. This point A is lie on the bisector of x, y, z. This is given. Okay. So we'll see point A is lie on the bisector of angle xy z. This is given. This is given. Okay. Therefore, we know the theorem. If this is lie on the bisector, therefore point A is equidistant from the sides of angle xy z. Already you have studied this theorem. If any point lie on the bisector, that is equidistant from the sides of these xy, yx and yz. These are the arms, or we can say that is the sides of the angle xy z. That is equidistant. Means equidistant means what? This distance ax is equal to az. These two are same, means equidistant. So what we have to find? Az. What is given? Ax. Ax is 2 centimeter. Therefore, Az is also 2 centimeter. So it is very simple. You have to apply the theorem, but you have to write that theorem. Then that answer. Don't write directly answers. Okay. This one having marks. So another theorem. Here triangle FAL is given. Two angles are given. Find out greatest and smallest sides. Already you have studied two theorems on this one. Which sides are greater, which side is smaller, which angle is greater, which side is smaller. Greatest angle, opposite of that greatest side, smallest. Then you have to find greatest angle, which side is greatest, opposite of that, means corners of that. So easily you can find. So first one, you should know all these three angles, we have to compare the sides. Here two angles are given. So here we can see in triangle, FAL. Okay. Angle F plus angle A plus angle N. This addition we know 180. Already you have studied one theorem on triangle. Here you can write angle addition property of triangle. Okay. Angle addition property of triangle. Put the value. F is 80. Okay. A is 40 plus N is not given 180. Okay. Now 80 plus 40, 120 plus N is equal to 180. So N is equal to 180. This 120 goes that side minus. So angle N is equal to 60 degree. So we found it. It is 60 degree. Okay. Now easily we can compare the angle by using the measure. Which one is the greatest? Angle F is the greatest. After that 60 comes. Means this is greater than which angle? N. And N is greater than which angle? E. When we use this one. So easily we can find angle N, F. So opposite of F, which side is? En. Side En. Opposite of F, En is greater than. Opposite of N, it is AF. And opposite of A, which side? FL. Easily we can find opposite side of that angle. So now what we have to find? Greatest and smallest side. First we will see greatest side. Which one is greatest? This one. Therefore side AN is the greatest side. And which one is the smaller? FL. And side FL is the smallest side. Okay, so like this, some more example we'll see, then you have to complete this exercise. Very simple exercise. Those who know theorem, you can solve easily.